going to be making some Geranium Rose Essential Oil Soap. I should have moved this out of here earlier, but I did not. Let me grab my other mold here. Okay. Just moved out a 15-pound mold. This is a 5-pound I'm moving in. My back isn't so hot this last week, so I'm going to be making some smaller batches, and I'm also going to be doing some new essential oil ones. So I'm kind of on an essential oil kick here. I have 2 lye waters in here. I always prep with making 2 lye waters, so that makes me commit to making 2 5-pound batches of soap. Alright. It's not that soap making's hard. Sometimes you just got to get into the juju of it all. Alright. Whip this up here. It's a rainy, gloomy day, so what a better day than to be making soap anyways. Kids are in school. It's picture day today. My husband is off to his winter job. It's not exactly winter yet, but we're definitely in the fall stage here. And so I actually feel guilty taking time for myself to do anything else, so I'm working. I have a lot of soap to get accomplished before fall/Christmas, and I also have scheduled dog grooming for this evening, so I really should take this time and make as much soap as I can. And I'm also having a very good soap flow today. By that I mean like creative juices, because sometimes it's hard to get that creative going, and sometimes you have to make soap but you don't feel that super creative. Today I am feeling it, so I'm going to go with it. And I probably shouldn't have got it that thick, because I have a feeling when I mix in these essential oils, stuff's going to move quite fast with that rose in there. And go with my super fat. I'm just going to incorporate that. And I think I'm going to mix my colors first before adding the essential oils, because like I said, I think it's going to get super thick really quick. So I've chose neon pink to represent the rose, and like a mossy green just to represent the stems of the geraniums and the rose. Also, can't speak all of a sudden. So I'm going to put a little bit in there. I'm always dripping everywhere. It's just what I do because I have no patience in the pouring, apparently. So we're going to let our pink sit over there. I'm going to give this a quick little blast. Get that green mixed up. It has some shimmer to it, and it turns out to be usually, well, the last batch that I did, what did I do with my spatula? The last batch that I did was 15 pounds, and when I added the green, it kind of turned into a pea soup color. But I thought that this pea soup color with a bright pink might be really pretty. So that's what I'm going for. If it does that, absolutely fine with me. It'll be a really pretty color contrast. And then I've got some flowers that I'm going to decorate the top with. So I got that. I'm going to whisk in the fragrance. I'm just afraid that this is going to seize or something. Give this a quick burst. Okay, you stay and be good. I'm going to get my essential oils and dump it in here. Behave, please. You hear me, soap? Behave. I'm going to put most of it in here, but put some over here too. Okay. Be good. Be good, behave. Whisk this bad boy up. Oh, you are going to behave. Oh, no, you're not. You're going to behave. Alright, I gotta pour fast, people. It has decided that the rose has now kicked in. Blend this quick. So one thing about using florals, sometimes you gotta get a scootin' with the soap making. Plop that in. Oh, that's gonna be so pretty. That sounded very Valley Girl, didn't it? Okay. Let's smack the crap out of this. And I think I'm still gonna hanger swirl. Grab my hanger here. Just because I want some wispiness in this. Yeah, baby. It's gonna be cool. I just know it. Wipe that down. It's most likely gonna go through the gel phase too. It's gonna get pretty darn hot. Get that off. Tamp it down. Scrapey these bowls. Get the rest of this stuff off of here. Oh, I can't wait to see how this turns out. And I really hope that this rose sticks and doesn't dissipate. And if I was thinking right, I probably should have added some clay, because the clays do help the florals stick. So I did not. So let's just hope that we still have that pretty rose scent when we're all done. And I would also like to I would love to do like a rose essential oil soap, but oh my gosh, is rose ever expensive? It's ridiculous. I understand why, because it takes a ton of petals to make the rose essential oil soap. Hold on here for a second. I'm going to wash up these dishes, let that top just get a little bit firmer, and then I'm going to add some flowers on there. Yeah, so I totally get why it costs so much money to do it, because it takes just pounds and pounds of petals. But that's definitely not something I can afford to put into the soap. I did use like a different rose essential oil blend before, and unfortunately it completely dissipated, which is hilarious because of how pungent rose really is when you smell it. You're like, oh my goodness, I don't need a ton of, you know, essential oil in this because it's just so strong. And then when it cured, the rose was gone. It completely disappeared. So it became an unscented soap, as is how a lot of my unscented soaps happen. Usually not intentionally, it just goes that way. Let's wipe this down here quick. Soap everywhere. This is why I soap in the sink, because I make a ton of mess. I'm like a sloppy child soap. And I figure if I have a lye spill, what a better place for it to spill all over versus on my feet and on the floor and have all that clean up. I'm thinking by the time I get this full, ooh, splash. Don't want lye residue in my eyes. Okay, get this one done. And I'm going to clean up this real quick. And then I'm going to get to this top and put the flowers in there. I know you just wanted to sit and watch me do dishes today. That was totally in your agenda for today. Okay. I do like these long spout pours too. It's very nice for getting thin drops when we go that way. Alright, are we ready? We're ready. Should I wear my gloves during this? Yeah, I probably should. But it's so clumsy for me. Okay. I'm gonna find my little spoonage here. I think I'm gonna go half on bumping this up here where it's my spoon. I'm gonna go get my flowers off the table over here. I swear you can never have enough counter space, right? Always need more counter space. Okay. So I got some rose petals. Sprinkle those up on top. I hope this turns out to be a really nice soap. And I hope that rose really sticks. Rose petal up there, and I'm just going to add a little calendula too, because I think it just looks pretty. And I think I'm going to take my spoon here and kind of just push these in. Got a little lye silk on there. Just so that they stay on there and don't fall off. Don't want to get too crazy with like so much flowers, but it's really pretty to have a little accent of flowers. Okay. I'll shoot a still picture of this, and then you can take a look at it, and I'll probably do a cutting video tomorrow so you can see what it looks like as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe.